Yeah, see? And it's not even like a telescopic rod. It's just infinite.
It's gonna dead stop, isn't it? This is where our humor came from.
Yeah, this is one of my favorite parts. Just.
Did they hit a trash can with a hammer? What was that sound?
Hey, I stole the book.
Why did you take something? We haven't even started yet.
You did not know how to mix audio.
No, I did not.
It was either like 5 decibels or 1,000.
Where is it?
And by remember all hidden numbers, that means go on your phone and write them down in the notepad.
Dude, I was the comedy king.
We're the only ones who can do this! We're the only ones that can do this! Come on! Come on, you're the Wonder Kid!
They're like right next to each other. Just be like, hey.
Come on!
Hope that something, anything, might happen.
Yeah, me too!
All this distortion. Oh, God.
I never knew something so loud could make me so bored.
I don't really want to watch that. Oh my god.
I forgot how loud this is. That was so loud.
Someone gonna break down the hotel with their pickaxe?
Oh my god, I can't hear any dialogue over this sparkle crap. It's so loud.
Auntie,
I used to rewind and play this part over and over because it made me laugh how loud this song comes in compared to their dialogue.
It's so ungodly loud.
It's so loud.
Come on!
It was 114 decibels. That was the loudest thing ever.
Oh god, it's a Texas Twister!
have a good day.